In this Japanese-style tiny home, the clever arrangement of cabinets creates not only storage solution but also architectural character. One standout feature is the unique cabinet layout that frames the window, transforming an ordinary opening into a stylish focal point and design icon. The cabinet frames serve dual purpose function as both as display nook and an integrated shelving system that enhance the aesthetic of the space. Toward the end of the room, a series of stage-like cabinets seamlessly integrated with a loftbed and adjacent wall cabinet. The stage cabinet elevates part of the flooring, providing hidden storage below while also creating a natural seating or transition area. Above, the loftbed is smartly positioned to utilize vertical space without crowding the room. Despite the compact footprint, the combination of multifunctional cabinetry and thoughtful layout planning gives the space an open and spacious feeling. This design exemplifies how compact living can remain elegant, functional, and visually compelling through smart, space-saving cabinet arrangements.